You searched how to buy shares of Astrotech Corp, and this short guide walks through the process. Astrotech is a space technology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ASTC. This is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you must use a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker ASTC to find the listing. Choose the result that matches Astrotech Corp to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to understand recent movement. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ASTC ticker before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will ask you to add money before confirming. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same steps.